With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Okay, the question here is saying DNA replication takes place or DNA molecule of each chromosome become double or DNA and histoproteins are synthesized during the following phase of cell cycle. Now, if we see there is two phases. Our first is our interphase in our division, okay, is our interphase and M phase. Okay, now this interphase, what is the difference between this interphase and this M phase? Interphase, okay, let us see. Interphase is actually our a non-dividing phase, okay. What it is a non-dividing phase, whereas M phase in which actual division occurs, it is an actual division occurs, either meiosis or mitosis. Now, it is a non-dividing phase, or we can also call it as resting phase. What it is known as? It is also known as our resting phase. Though it is known as our resting phase, but in this case, the cell is most active in this cycle, okay. It is the cell has the most activity, or we can say the most active in this stage. Now, why it is most active in this stage? It is a non-dividing phase, but it is the phase where the cell prepares itself for the actual cell division, okay. Cells prepares itself for the division, okay, for the actual cell division. Now, the cell preparing itself for the actual cell division, what means? It means that what will happen? All the biomolecules required for cell division will be stocked up. Then there will be synthesis of our DNA. There will be organelles duplication, RNA synthesis, mitochondria, chloroplasts, other organelles, as well as centrioles will duplicate. Now this interphase is divided into our three phases. Okay, first is our G1. Okay, that is our gap 1 phase. Then we have our S phase, and then we have our G2 phase. Okay, that is our gap 2 phase. Now here it is saying DNA replication or duplication of our DNA molecules. Okay, or we can say DNA and synthesize DNA synthesis or histone proteins are synthesized in which phase? Okay, it will be synthesized in our S phase. It will be synthesized in our S phase of the interphase. Now what is this S phase? This S phase is also known as our synthesis phase. It is also known as the synthesis phase, and in this phase there will be our duplication of our, what will happen, the amount of nucleic acid, that is our DNA or the genetic material, doubles, but we need to keep in mind the chromosome number remains same. The chromosome number remains same. There will be no duplication of our chromosome number. Only DNA will be doubled. Only DNA will be our twice, okay. So this is our synthesis phase. Now if we see the option here, G1 phase, in G1 phase DNA's application does not occur, only ATP, proteins, amino acid, RNA occurs, so this option is wrong. In gap 2 phase, what happens in gap 2 phase? Gap 2 phase basically what will happen in gap 2 phase, mitochondria, Golgi bodies and chloroplasts will duplicate, not our DNA, so this option is also wrong. Our correct answer is S phase, or our option number 3, that is our synthesis phase, where actual cell division, or we can say DNA replication, occurs. It will be not our prophase, it falls under the category of M phase, where actual cell division occurs. So our answer is option number 3.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.